The power supply is fluctuating. This LED is flickering. The fan starts to turn on and then turns off. Here are two possible reasons. The first might be its high power stage is damaged. The second, maybe its low power section is damaged. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. This spider welding machine ARC 600 not working. I opened its cover to save the time. Let's troubleshoot it. As per my opinion, it is very poor quality design. We will analyze the circuit. Might be it will not worth repair. But let's see how this circuit is assembled and how to troubleshoot it. The basic fault here, its power on LED is flickering. When we are working on inverter welding machine, we need extreme care. Here are high DC voltage at DC rail. Never touch any component in this side or any heat sink in this side until we verify the voltage on these capacitors. If there are voltage, discharge it properly and verify using multimeter before touching to any component or before starting to work. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair because here are unisolated live voltage. Always take care for the safety. First I will apply power using series length and we will see the fault condition. There is a sound. This LED is flickering. The fan starts to turn on and then turns off. DC voltage. This is connector for the fan. The power supply is fluctuating. Here are two possible reasons. The first might be its high power stage is damaged. The second, maybe its low power section is damaged. Now we will verify voltage on DC rail. DC rail voltage are stable. Now we need to check high power stage and we will isolate both sections. In first step, its low voltage section must turn on. I disconnected power, check voltage on DC rail. If needed, discharge it. You can make capacitor discharging kit. You can watch the video number displayed on the screen and you can make it simply. Now it is safe. Yes, it is short circuit. It is short circuit. It is also short circuit. We need to disconnect them. We can see the quality. This is heatsink for the bridge rectifier that is swinging in the air. Yes. It is also damaged. In this session, we will recover its low voltage power supply, and in upcoming session we will continue for next stage repair. G40T60AN3H 40 ampere 650 volt IGBT collector to emitter short circuit, gate also short circuit. LNK 6 to 6. Let's apply power, and now we will check it. Now I will apply power. Yes, the LED is now turned on and the fan is now turned on. .59 volt. So until now we found there is short circuit on high power stage. In upcoming session we will see its control section and high power stage, and we will see what is the possibility of recovering it. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.